This is a 10-year disability income contract. The model has 3 states: healthy, sick, and dead. Recovery from sick back to healthy is allowed. Transitions run from healthy to sick back to healthy, and both living states to dead. Part A is the equivalence premium, paid only while healthy. The given occupancies are A-00 of 5.844, A-01 of 0.684, A-01 of 0.175, and A-02 of 0.151. The death benefit is 20,000 times A-02, sickness is 1,000 times A-01, and expenses are 60 times the sum of the 2 sojourn annuities. Divide by 0.95 times A-00. The gross premium rate is 737.72. The exam shows 738. Part B asks for the probability of dying within 10 years without ever becoming sick. With constant forces, that is mu02 over mu01 plus mu02 times 1 minus e to the minus 0.5. That is 0.02 times 1 minus e to the minus 0.5 all over 0.05, which equals 0.15739. Part C is the elimination period. After a spell of sickness starts, the insurer waits before any sick benefit is paid. Time in the waiting window is not reimbursed. Only the remaining sojourn in sick is paid. Part D is the 1-year continuous sojourn annuity in sick. Force of discount plus exit from sick is 0.07 plus 0.01 plus 0.05, which is 0.13. The integral from 0 to 1 of e to the minus 0.13 t dt is 1 minus e to the minus 0.13 over 0.13. That equals 0.9377. The exam shows 0.94. Part E changes the product. Each healthy to sick hit in the first 10 years starts a delayed sojourn. The sickness expected present value is 1,000 times 1 over 0.13 minus the 1-year sojourn annuity times A-01. Benefits can continue after year 10 once the 1-year wait is over. Death and expenses are unchanged. The larger sickness expected present value lifts the equivalence premium. The new premium is $827.43.